perkymix.com and welcome to my channel. Today we are here with my favorite monthly video, that's the monthly shopping haul. Today I'll show you what I got in the month of June, so let's start. First of all, I got these two LA Girl Pro HD concealers. These are amazing for contouring and highlighting, and these are so affordable in US. They're just $2 there, but so sad that these are not available in India. You can only get it through Instagram stores. So I got these two from an Instagram store for $1,300 for two, that too on sale. So it's really sad that $2 super affordable product is not available here, but these are just amazing. I got this light one for highlighting. This is in the shade Creamy Beach, and the dark one is the shade Beautiful Bronze, and these are amazing for contouring. They just blends in your skin like a butter, and the finish and the concealing is just amazing. Then I got these two Makeup Geek pan eyeshadows. This is the shade Cocoa Bear and this is the shade Morocco, and if you have been watching my videos, you know I am obsessed with these right now. These are great for the crease area. These are perfect for our Indian skin tones and make the perfect crease color. This Morocco eyeshadow is an orangish brown eyeshadow, which is great for blending with your smoky eye black color or any brown eyeshadow, and this makes a perfect crease color for our Indian skin tone. And this Cocoa Bear, this is a beautiful brown shade which is again perfect for your eyelids and your crease color, and the mix of two just makes a perfect crease blending eyeshadows. I just love these. And these two I got from an Instagram store for $8.50 each. I now get to know why so many people rave about Makeup Geek eyeshadows, because the pigmentation is amazing. These are not chalky at all. These blends in so beautifully with your skin, and I just love the effect they create in the eye makeup. Now next, I got some stuff from Jabong.com. I was in search of these beautiful turquoise eyeshadows. I was hunting for some affordable eyeshadow options, and I found these on Jabong.com. This is Freedom Mono Eyeshadow Brights 222. This is turquoise. I'll list the details of all these products in the description box, so just don't forget to check it out. And this is again another turquoise color. This Neo OMG eyeshadows, and pigmentation is really amazing. I got some more eyeshadows, which is this Neo one, which is a beautiful yellow eyeshadow. I wanted to create a beautiful colored eye makeup with these two, but it's so humid right now in Delhi that I could not shoot it, but I'll definitely do it and post some pictures with these. These are really affordable and the sale was going on, so I got these for around $2.50 each, and the pigmentation, I am really impressed. I was really fed up with expensive eyeshadows and I was searching for some really good affordable options. So if you are also in search of some good affordable colored pigmented eyeshadows, then I think you should search kind of these. These are really nice. I also got from Jabong these Sigma pigments. These two are for $500 the pair. These two are the shades of the Stars pigments. This is the purple one and this is the sea green color, and these pigments are amazing. You just apply it on your lids and the color just pops up on your eyes, and I just love the effect of this. I have already used this one in one of my makeups and I just love the effect. So these are also really nice pigments. Then I wanted to do some nice glitter eye makeup, and I was searching for a good glue for it. People say you can use Ardell Duo lash glue for it, but when I applied it, it was really messy and really sticky and I could not work with it. So I got this lime green glitter glue for my glitter eye makeup. This is really nice. This is the glitter glue. You just apply it on your hand and pat your brush in it and apply it on your eyelids and then apply the glitter. The glitter just sticks perfectly and there is no mess around. I just love this lime prime glitter helper. Then I got this Inglot gel liner. I was really fed up with my Maybelline gel liner because I like the pigmentation of that liner, but it really dries out so fast. I don't know why it dries out so fast, and I'm really fed up of wasting so much product. So I got this Inglot one and I just love it. The pigmentation of this gel liner is amazing. It's a matte black and it is the mattest of all I have ever tried. I have tried the Benefit Push-Up Liner, which was the best in the pigmentation, and second to that, this is amazing. I just loved it. This I got for $1,050 from Nykaa.com. Then I got this Kat Von D Lolita 2 lipstick, which is a really amazing nude color. I'm wearing it on my lips right now and I'm just loving it. It is a beautiful everyday nude. There is also a shade Lolita which is a brownish, and this is an orangish brown color. So these two are different, but that too is amazing. And Kat Von D Lolita 2, and you can see, I'll show you the swatch. It looks like this. It's a beautiful brownish nude color and I really like it at work, and it blends in beautifully with my NC42 skin tone. And this again, Kat Von D is not available readily anywhere. You can only get it from Instagram stores or the cosmetic stores that specifically keep imported products. So I got this one from an Instagram store. Next, I got a lot of jewelry in the month of June. I'm a big jewelry hoarder, so I got a lot of earrings from AliExpress.com, lifestyle and more. So let's start our haul. First of all, if you know what AliExpress is, it's a Chinese site from where you can buy products, but the quality and the time taken by it is really, it's really painful, because you just order from there and you just forget about it, because you can get your product from 1 to 2 to 3 months, which is really a long time, and you can't be sure about the quality of the products, but they are like super affordable. First, I got these earrings which I am wearing right now, and these were for 80 rupees. Yes, you get a lot of stuff at super affordable price from there, but there is no guarantee of the quality. Even about these, I'm not sure these are of good quality. I did not feel like that, but okay, for 80 rupees I don't mind that much. Then I got this ring. If you can see, this 3 circular rings for 10 rupees each from there. And then I got these type of knuckle rings from there. This was in a set of 7 which I got for 100 rupees. Then from AliExpress I got these earrings which look really beautiful, but sorry, these are extremely heavy, and whenever I wear these, it tends to turn out, so I'm really disappointed with this. So this is what is with AliExpress. You can't be really sure if you get a good quality product, but okay. These earrings were also for about 60 rupees. Then again, like these golden knuckle rings, I got this in silver. Golden one was of really good quality, but the silver one was just pathetic. This is the only one which I like. Otherwise, all the other ones are really pathetic. And I ordered all these earrings, 2 months back, and then I got these in shifts, and some products are still pending from their side. But still, I ordered from there because that is not much hole in your pocket. 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 10 rupees items and they also ship free, so you don't have to pay for the shipping. Then I got these earrings from AliExpress for about 60 rupees, which I really love. The quality of this was amazing. The finishing is so nice and it looks so beautiful, so I love these ones. Then I got some jewelry from Lifestyle, which was of really good quality and really good appearance. So let's start. First, I got these beach tassel earrings from Lifestyle for 249 rupees, and these are really in trend these days. The tassel earrings. The material is a thread-like material and it looks really nice. I love this one. Then I got these turquoise again tassel earrings. These were for again 249, and I love these too. Then I got this delicate neck piece which I really loved. This is like a small orange piece above and then a longer one, and you can wear it with your solid kurtas or solid tops, and I really love it. This was for $3.99 and I just loved it. I just love the jewelry section of Lifestyle. It's really amazing, and I didn't know that it has beautiful ethnic wear earrings also. So let me show you those. See such beautiful, gorgeous Chand Balis I got from Lifestyle. Whenever I search for Chand Balis, they are like minimum 2,000, and I'm like, no, I'm not going to spend that much on something which I'm going to wear only on special occasions. So when I spotted these, I was just bowled over by it. This is amazing Chand Balis with this turquoise green color and beautiful pearl detailing, and this is for $7.99 rupees. So I just love this. I got another Chand Bali which I'm going to show you right now after this. And this is the second one. This is so beautiful, pearl Chand Balis with this golden and pearl combination. And this is so versatile. You can wear it with any ethnic wear and it will just look amazing. This is for $8.49 rupees. and I'm already wearing it in my Eid makeup look, so you can check it out, the look from there. These are looking beautiful. And then I got this beautiful tika from Karigari Jewelry. This is so beautiful. You can wear it as a tika, or alternatively you can wear it like this. This is so beautiful. I just loved it. And this came for around $4.99. Then I got some clothing from Lifestyle. Yeah, I shopped a lot from Lifestyle this month. So I got this solid up-down kurta. This is a kurta, the solid red kurta, and it is like upside down. And to pair this with, I got this printed leggings from Lifestyle, and both these are from Melange brand. And this looks amazing with this. I just love to mix and match solids and prints, and this looks just beautiful. I'll show you the pic where I have styled this with my silver Kolhapuris, and I just felt so amazing. So girls, this is all about my June shopping haul. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you next on another interesting topic. Keep watching PerkyMix.com. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like, and do subscribe my channel. Feel beautiful.